Hi guys, welcome back everyone, Sanskar Gupta here and you're watching Steve Manage, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Byju's kit. I'm going to be showing you the glimpse of it in just a few seconds. So, 1, 2 and 3. There it is. The Byju's learning kit app. I ordered it for my 5 classes. Standard 8, Standard 9, Standard 10, Standard 11 and Standard 12. Today I'm going to be actually unboxing this and showing you how it looks. So let's go. So here's the moment you have been waiting for. The Byju's learning app. It's a kit and it is of total 85,000 after a discount of 40%, which I got as a scholarship. I have earned it, guys. I've earned it. So let's unbox this. But before, let us see what are the things from outside and how it looks. So here's the Byju's logo, numbers. Then if you take it, then keep your city clean. Recycling option is there, and there's a tape with helpline number. So let's unbox it. Nothing there outside. Here it goes, guys. Oh, that's a double covering. I have to cut this fully. Oh shit, it's wet. No problem. We'll be taking it out. Here we go. There's nothing inside. Here it is. Here also a helpline number. So let's cut this tape. Here it is. Let's cut this. Wow, guys, wow. Get a smart bag with it. See, so cool it is. Although Byju's is written, but the company is warped. Yeah, that's cool. So, inside we get 2 things. As you can see, first thing, it is Come Fall in Love with Learning by Byju's Premium. My courses are from K1 to K10, so I'll keep it aside. Here comes the 10-inch Lenovo Smart Tab. See, you can see this. It is of 2 GB plus 16 GB, I think, and it is of 21,000. The price is given here, and there are many features in this: IPS HD, dual front speakers, multi-user accounts, Lenovo Kids account, Android technology, Qualcomm Snapdragon and Dolby Atmos. So, let's unbox this. There was a sealed tape of Lenovo. It's already open. We pull this out. Wow, so sleek. Awesome, guys. You can see the size of this tab. Just awesome. Then you get something, this packing list. So we have to check this. Then there are laptop for features one. Then specific absorption rate. Then it's written in Portuguese, so I think it's famous there also. Then we get the USB cable, the adapter, and nothing more. So guys, this is the final thing. We keep this aside. keep this one also aside. So this USB adapter and USB cable, pamphlets, and your final tab. Now let's open this. I think the memory card is inside this one. So inside it we get, what do we get? Nothing much, but we get this Byju's the learning app one, pamphlet for this, I think. Yeah, that's the sticker booklet, as you can see. So let me see Byju's. I don't know why they have given this sticker booklet, as this is not needed, but they have given, so we take it. Then installation fee, the installation book has also been provided, so let's keep it aside. And now this was inside this. There is a sweet pouch in which, now we open this. Oh, here comes the main part. We are having one empty ICSE 8 to 10, and we are having this 11 to 12 PCMB in one SIM card. So guys, here's the overlook. So we are having a bag, some paperwork, adapter, USB cable, tab, 10-inch tab, then its box, tab for 10-inch, and here is my SD card pouch. So that 8 to 10 is already installed in this tab, and the 11 to 12 course is inside this, but a separate SD card. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye, and please subscribe my channel here, and please click the bell icon also beside that. Now please hit the like button if you liked it, and bye bye. Bye.